Circularity is how the apparel industry meets the challenges of economy and environment. With LifeWear in UNIQLO, our circular business model puts the customer at the center. UNIQLO Circulate, our customers' used clothing to the community. How do we extend UNIQLO into community health?
Through our Neighbours Helping Neighbours program, we collect, sort, and redistribute cleaned, recycled UNIQLO products to people in need. Externally to refugees as humanitarian aid support, and locally to support people in need in our community. Working with social workers and like-minded community partners, we have set up Neighbours Helping Neighbours redistribution centres in parts of Singapore. This way, we have a systematic, sustainable way to provide clothing support to vulnerable groups in reliable and effective ways, reaching out to wider communities in need rather than through episodic pop-ups.
I think with this initiative by UNIQLO, it definitely meets the environmental and social objectives, breathing new life into these pre-loved clothes. Providing them with a fresh set of quality clothes actually helps them a lot.
Neighbours Helping Neighbours is our way to enable and empower people to take action with UNIQLO's LifeWear.
Through UNIQLO's business, we have contributed to the economy, enriching society through every item of LifeWear we create. We are proud to be able to provide new and unique value, so people all over Singapore could enjoy our clothes.
To our beneficiaries, having the dignity of clothing provided through community support gives them a sense of being valued, cared for, and give them a hope for a positive future, knowing that they have the community behind them, rooting for them and their families.
Join us!
You too have the power of clothing to change our world.